So we're here today because the Assembly majority believes that our responsibility as parents and caregivers continues 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
It's the working mothers who are forced to quit their jobs and stay home because they cannot afford child care. It's the working families who have to drain their life savings when a parent becomes ill or requires care. It's the people who live paycheck to paycheck who are forced to rely on government assistance to feed their babies and care for their parents. That's an unacceptable reality in today's society.
The Assembly has been the lead body here in Albany that has been unwavering in their commitment and support for paid family leave through the years.
What matters now, as always, is not what we can't do. It is what we can and must do.
Today in the Assembly, we stand to do the right thing.
On paid family leave, which truly promotes good family values.
New York State Assembly has long held the commitment to protecting not only families, but also the heart and soul of our economy, which is New York's workforce.
I don't want to have to choose between keeping my job and caring for a family member.
New York families should not have to choose between caring for a sick loved one or financial ruin.
Why do we want to force them into that position when it could be done differently? It's done differently in other countries, and if we can't get it done right in our great country of the United States, guess what? We can get it done right in our great state of New York.
And I was struck and overwhelmed by how many women didn't talk about, having the responsibility of a child, but how they're going to pay for it, and how that they had to choose between a paycheck and staying home with their child for the first 6 weeks.
We should not have to do that. To leave a sick mother, a sick father, or a sick family member that you're responsible for, that shouldn't be happening.
We applaud the Assembly for taking an important step today towards making sure that happens. We look forward to the day when the 7.8 million workers in New York State will no longer have to choose between the health and well-being of the families they love that need them at certain times.
Today, New York State takes a step forward to protect and support our families of New York State.
By reminding the people that sent us here that we do listen to them, that we hear them, that when they have concerns, we respond in creative and innovative ways.
It is important that we understand who we are protecting with this law.
This legislation will not only support parents, but also support the well-being of a newborn child and sick children.
When we talk about family values being important and then deny them the opportunity to be there for the loved ones when they need them most.
Colleagues, we can and must pass paid family leave this session. We can and must treat people who are disabled better than we do, and we can and must pass this bill today.